Let's create AI Cops app using Python. We import Flask for the web framework, CountVectorizer to convert incident text into numerical word count vectors, Multinomial NB as our naive-based classifier, and make_pipeline to combine both preprocessing and classification into one ML workflow. This initializes the Flask application so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define a mock training dataset as a list of tuples, where each tuple contains an incident description paired with its correct category, giving the model examples of different crime types. We unpack the training dataset into two separate variables, X for the incident descriptions and Y for the category labels, so the model can learn from them. We create a machine learning pipeline that first converts text into word count vectors using CountVectorizer, then trains a multinomial naive-based classifier on those vectors, while printing progress messages to confirm training status. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML UI where users can enter an incident description for AI classification. This route handles post requests from the front end, receiving an incident description and returning the predicted incident category. We parse the incoming JSO request body and extract the incident description, removing extra white space to keep the input clean for prediction. We validate that the description field is not empty, returning a 400 bad request error with a helpful message if no text was provided. We pass the incident description through the trained pipeline, which automatically vectorizes the text and predicts the most likely incident category. We calculate probability scores for all possible categories, then select the highest probability and convert it into a percentage to represent the model's confidence. We return a JSO response containing the predicted category and confidence score so the front end can display the classification result clearly. This starts the Flask development server on port 5000 in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error output during development. Now here is our index.html where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.